located in the Delaware Water Gap National Recreation Area in New Jersey. Are accessible via the Buttermilk Falls Trail, which is 1.4 miles long and has a moderate to difficulty level 1. Buttermilk Falls and Frog Pond Loop. Buttermilk Falls and Frog Pond Loop is a 2.2-mile moderately trafficked loop trail located near Menham, New Jersey that's waterfall and is good for all skill levels. The trail is primarily used for hiking, running, nature trips, and bird watching and is best used from March until November. Experience this 2.3-mile loop trail near Menham, New Jersey. Generally considered an easy route, it takes an average of 52 minutes to complete. This is a popular trail for birding, hiking, and running, but you can still enjoy some solitude during quieter times of day. The best times to visit this trail are March through November.